On today's video, we're going to create a compound butter, a chili lime compound butter. It's going to go perfect with fish, shrimp, scallops, you name it, anything seafood. It's going to go perfect with that. Hey, welcome to Gourmet Fishing. I'm your host, David Murray. Let's go ahead and get started on our chili lime compound butter right now. Let's get started on our chili lime compound butter. We've got everything we need right here. Half a stick, unsalted, room temperature, soft butter. Now, if you don't have unsalted, you can use salted, but right here, that's a half a teaspoon of salt. Cut that down by half and you'll be okay. Or if you know you're saltaholic like I am, whatever, add as much as you want. I don't know. just joking. So we've got half a cup or half a stick of softened butter. We've got a half a teaspoon of salt. Right here we've got a shallot, a minced up, finely minced 1 tablespoon of a shallot right here. We've got a serrano chili. That chili was, I guess, about this long. It's about half of it. It comes out to kind of a heavy or a teaspoon plus of finely minced serrano, and I chopped everything. I minced it all. I minced, obviously the green pepper. I minced the seeds and the veins where you're going to get some nice little heat from it. And right here, now back to the serrano. If you can get a red one, that's even better. So it adds a little bit of contrast in the colors, but kind of offset that. Hopefully this cayenne pepper, I'm going to take a little pinch and drop in there, and we'll see what that does. And then we've got a lime. We're going to use the rind. We're going to zest that, and we're going to use the juice. We're going to use about a teaspoon. It's probably going to work out. We're going to use the all of the zest in the lime, and 3 teaspoons of the lime juice. So you know what, let's go ahead and get everything underway and get it started. We're going to add our finely minced shallot, just like that, and I'm going to come in with our pepper, do the exact same thing, just like that. Here's our salt, boom, just like that. Now you know what, I'm going to come in with a nice little sprinkling of cayenne. Don't forget you've got cayenne on your fingers. Don't rub your eyes, because that won't turn out or work out well for you. So I've started zesting my lime, so I'm going to go ahead and finish that off just like so with my microplane. And we're looking for about a teaspoon or so, maybe even a nice heavy teaspoon would be good. So that's what we're going to do here. Come in here just like that. All right, yes sir-ree. Voila. Now we're going to add that. Oh, that's a little, you know what? That's a little bit. Yeah, it's about a teaspoon. So that's fine. That's perfect. That's even better. So add that. Now I'm going to come in here. Let's see. I need a knife. Grab this little guy right here. And we're going to cut this. Voila. Just like that. I'm going to come in. Like I said, we want, anywhere between 1 to 3 teaspoons of juice. Let's see what we get out of that. Wow, that's a fairly juicy lime. Heck yeah. So I tell you what, we might, I'm going to add just a little bit more, just like that. And then I tell you what, I'll probably save this for a gin and tonic later on. How about that? Now I'm going to come in and we're going to combine everything together. And I'm going to use a rubber spatula to do that. So here we go. We're going to come in here. Now careful, because we've got butter is a little bit of oil. Lemon juice is it is a liquid or water, so you got to be careful not to just kind of get in there and just start stirring away, because that's not going to work out well for you. So we're going to come in here and we're just going to kind of push the butter to the side of our little bowl here and kind of sort of combine it that way, just like that, until we get everything in there, and it'll come together. I promise. It doesn't. It does not look very appetizing, does it? So give me a sec and we will get this all nice and combined. All right, I tell you what, I think we've got this thing just about pulled together. Yeah, check that out. Yes, sir, man. all those flavors are inside that butter. It is going to be unbelievable here in a little bit. Let's see here. Neat thing about this, you can make this 2, 3, 4, 5 days ahead of you know, when you want to use it. So that's always a nice thing. Like I said, that doesn't look all that good, but it's going to be delicious. Now, I'm going to come in. Let's see here. I'm going to try to clean up just a tad, and we've got ourselves a piece of plastic wrap, and I thought I would cut this before we needed it. So there we go. Okay, that works out, because man, I tell you what, when this stuff sticks to something, it sticks. So let's come in and place our butter kind of right in the middle, just like that. So here we go. Oh, there's a little bit of liquid left. That's okay. That's okay. That's fine. So just like so. Okay. Yep. And there we are. So I'm going to put this up, put this back here in the sink. I'm not going to make too much noise. And I'm going to come in. I'm going to pull this over the top, and then just try to roll it together, just like that. See there? Then we're going to get it to this point, and then we're going to just kind of give it a nice twirl, bring those edges together, just like so. And we're going to kind of shape that just a little bit about right there. And guess what? That right there is, and it's not set, there it is right there. Voila, there it is. That is our compound butter. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put this in the fridge, get it nice and firmed up. Hey, check this out right here. Here it is, right here. Voila, how about that, man? Heck yes, nice and hard and firm. We'll come in here and we can just cut that just like that. Oh, check that out. Yes, sirree. There it is. Wow, man. Oh, wow. You can smell that. It's awesome. But there you go. That right there is our chili lime compound butter. And I tell you what, that is going to pair so well with a pan-seared snapper or some type of a scallop or a shrimp dish. Unbelievable. Hey, right down there we got another compound butter that works great. Hey, right here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And I tell you what, until next time, God bless, and we'll see you soon.